Good morning. The topic for the video is ethics in HR. Before I start the topic proper, I want to briefly speak on human resource. Human resource is one of the very important element of any of the organization. When I speak of human resource, these are the employees, these are the people involved with an organization. When an organization is doing business in the market, human resource is playing a very important role. Until and unless they are being loved, they are being given the full affection, they are being cared for, then only the results will be there. Then only a particular organization can give profits, good turnover over a longer run. Human resource, yes, I just want to add, if a organization is specifically not looking after the employees specifically, then definitely there are in the longer run a company will not be successful. Some specific ethical issues in HR. Number one is cash and compensation plans. For this, I want to talk about, yes, cash and compensation. The salaries being paid, the wages being paid, are they being paid properly to the employees as per the guidelines, as per the rules? And are they are not being overworked, they are not being exhausted? Then it is employee responsibility. Definitely, employees should be clear about their roles and responsibilities in a particular organization. It is about performance appraisal. Are the employees getting the appraisals every year? Are they being rewarded for the good work? Are they being punished for the bad jobs done in the organization? Definitely, it is also about privacy issues. Is the data about each employee, is the data about the grievance, about a complaint, is being secretively kept, or it is known to everyone? But I think ethically in HR, the data should be kept very secretively. It should not be made public. Then it is about race, it is about disability, it is about harassment, discrimination. Yes, I have, there is a difference between harassment, there is a difference between discrimination. Discrimination is specifically happening in the job area where you are working, whereas harassment can be outside the organization also. It can be on the basis of various factors, on the basis of race or gender or disability, or on the basis of caste or religion. Harassment becomes something more personal. You are after a person and you are trying to make his life difficult. Whereas discrimination is on the basis of the job roles given. Discrimination can be a good job is given to particular person Mr. A, and a little inferior job is given to Mr. B, or no job is given to Mr. B, because he is being discriminated because the boss is not liking him. Then definitely there are issues of safety and health. Safety and health is playing a very important role. You must have heard about occupational hazards. Occupational hazards are playing a when you are in a working area, high temperature, high sound, are you given the preventive equipments? Are you very safe? Is your health being looked after? Is the nutrition given in the canteen very safe for the people working in the particular company? Yes, employment issues. When people are being employed, when people are being interviewed in a company, is this done honestly? Is this done very diligently, very sincerely, with high values? Yes, one more which I want to discuss in this, that is about restructuring, that is about layoffs. Is restructuring done very frequently? Is layoffs done in very frequently in a particular organization? So definitely these are some of the ethical issues in HR. And yes, as a good ethical HR manager, we must take care, we must love, we must give the maximum affection to our employees. Then only I, as one of the owners of the business, will get the profits in the longer run. I will be a successful businessman in the longer run as well as in the shorter run. If I'll cheat my employees, if I'll deceive my employees, if I will not pay them the fair wages, I will not get the results and repercussions will be bad. You can definitely revert back to me on WhatsApp or on my channel for the queries. Thank you very much.